Good morning, South Africans. News update. Did you know that the Home Affairs Minister, Leon Amos Schreiber, is from Zimbabwe? He originated from Zimbabwe. Who gave him the right? If the nation don't give you the right or the permission to do things, who the hell do you think you are to accumulate or to compile the home affairs with his private banking systems within South Africa? So all the Israelis and all the Jews can go and have a passport or an ID, and then they become South African citizens overnight. Who gave you the right? The same that you did with the Zimbabweans. You took everything there and sent them to South Africa to come and make a living here, because you have fucked down the economy. And now, who's to be blamed for allowing the foreigners here in South Africa? But we will fight for all that is in South Africa.